Hello, it's a very quick tutorial on how to use Zamzar.com for file conversion. In this example, we'll be taking a PDF and converting it into an MP3 audio file, but the same principle can be used to convert all sorts of files. So, first thing I'm going to do is add a file. And I'm going to choose that PDF. I'm just going to choose the format I'd like it in now, and I'm going to have an MP3, and I'm going to convert it. It uploads very quickly now. I'm just waiting for it to appear here. And there we go. I hit download and I've got it. Simple as that.